sorry, I just wanted to make a quick video. Got back from the beach. Sammy was here, but she left, and so was Lucas and the guy that we met. But I just, to a reference to our last video, which was before we left, Sammy said something about us not getting stung by blue bottles and jellyfish every time we go to the beach. Well, unfortunately today I got stung by a jellyfish. Ironic, isn't it? Yes, well, it hurts. I'm not going to show you because it's all gross and red, but my parents aren't home yet, neither is my sister, so I'm here with jellyfish thing talking to my webcam. So yeah, it was just a quick video, just telling you that even Australians who live here get stung by jellyfish and blue bottles, so there's not much you can do about it, even if you do come. Yeah.